Again, this is the VHF A-axis cable replacement for the milling unit from Jensen. We also replaced the spindle a few months ago, and also ended up adapting the bottom of the unit to create a little space there that will actually help extend the life of your vacuum, and creates a better suction, and you actually will not have no powder left on the floor of the unit. I highly recommend that. If you have any questions, hit me up on the bottom and be happy to help you with some of the stuff that we actually done in the past, and we got to know the unit a little bit more.